Hi, this is Brian Katzung with kpowertools.com. A really common question that I see is how to change the background color for icons in the Kartra Page Builder. Now, the standard style editing tool will let you change the color of the icon itself. So in other words, the cube, the pencil, the light bulb, etc. That would be here in the Kartra interface. Unfortunately, the Kartra interface does not have a way to set the background color directly. You have to edit the HTML code for the icon, either using the browser's built-in developer tools or by going into the section code editor over here in the section tools. That gets to be inconvenient very fast, as you can imagine. There's a much easier way if you have the KCSG Tools for Kartra plugin with the Pro or Agency version. You can go to the icon and click on the Edit Colors tool, which will bring up this tool panel, and you can click on either the color sample, or you can click on the color code and it will open up this box. And as you change the color, it will update in real time. It uses the extended color picker that Kartra provides that lets you use palettes, so you can also easily pick colors directly from your palettes. There are a couple of different styles of icons, so that's a really common one. You can just hover over the icon and the tools will pop up. In other cases, you have to actually click on the icon to get the focus to come up, and then you can click on the color tool. And in this case, you can see that we have three available colors. There's the border for the circle around it, the background color. Two of these have transparent, and for this other one there's a solid white background. So you can change the border, the background, and the foreground separately. There's yet another style that has this kind of shadow box or box shadow effect around the icon. In this case, the easiest way to get to the tools is to come up from the bottom. Sometimes if you're coming in from the top, you'll get the tools for the containing box. So if you come in from the bottom, you can get the tools to appear. So for this example, we have the shadow, this background shadow, the background for the icon, and the foreground. So here's an example of changing this. So I could change the color that way. Just a side note, if the icon that you're changing is either low on the page or far to the right hand side, the tools may not show up in a very handy place. So as you may have noticed, it's very easy just to grab the box and move it around. You could move it up someplace where when the color picker opens, it's not going to obscure your icon.